My name is Soumya Sharma and I joined Fiitjee South Delhi Center in class 11th in the 2-year classroom program. I would like to dedicate my success in the IIT JEE exam to Fiitjee, its faculty and my fellow students in the batch. I joined Fiitjee because of the recommendation of several of my friends who already were studying in Fiitjee. The class environment was very competitive and it motivated me to study harder and to achieve my goals. The teachers cleared the concepts very succinctly and also cleared all my doubts that I had, and the teaching was of a high level as compared to my earlier study. The great teaching of concepts at Fiitjee increased my interest in the subjects such as physics, which I earlier didn't used to like as much. Also, I was able to clear many Olympiads in class 11th and 12th such as NSEC and INMO, that is the National Mathematics Olympiad, and also the National Informatics Olympiad, which involves mathematics. The regular tests in Fiitjee such as the FACE tests and later the AITS test series helped in increasing my confidence and also taught me how to attempt a paper properly. Also, my speed increased due to repeated practice of the questions. The regular tests also helped me to identify the areas in which I was weak, and then I cleared all the doubts with the Fiitjee faculty, and also they taught me specially these topics in detail so that the next time I wouldn't have these doubts and could understand the concepts better. The study material provided by Fiitjee such as the CPPs and the worksheets helped a lot in increasing my confidence, and also while revising they helped me to summarize the basic concepts so that I could revise swiftly, and so it helped me greatly while studying for the JEE exam, especially in the final month. I would like to thank my parents for their continued guidance and support throughout the 2 years that I was studying for the JEE exam. Also, I would like to thank the faculty at the Fiitjee South Delhi Center for not only clearing my doubts and helping me understand the concepts, but also in guiding and mentoring me on how to attempt the question paper and what is the proper method to study and other things. My advice to future students who would be preparing for the JEE exam is that you should prepare a proper timetable on how you should study, and you should follow it strictly so that in the end there is not a lot of pressure on you and you are able to revise in a relaxed manner and attempt the paper also calmly, which is very important because various factors may come into play at that time and you may not be able to attempt the paper as well if you are not well prepared. In conclusion, I would like to thank Fiitjee for their guidance and study material provided, which helped me to achieve success in the JEE Advanced exam. Thank you, Fiitjee.